How to install Claude Code in Terminal. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code in Terminal. So let's get started. So first, you need to install Node.js on your computer. To do that, you gotta open any of the browser and search for download Node.js. Then you're going to go to the official website of Node.js, scroll down and select your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to select Windows and then you're going to click on Windows Installer and you'll be able to see an installer get downloaded. So simply follow the prompt in order for Node.js to get installed on your device. Once done, you're going to simply open your command prompt and type down this prompt, that is npm install g @anthropic AI Claude Code. Press enter and just wait for it to get installed. Once it's done, you're going to simply type down Claude and press enter. And then you'll be able to see Claude running in front of you, so you can simply customize it the way you want it to be. For example, I'm going to let it be dark mode. And then you're going to simply log in with your Claude account, and that's it. That's how you can install Claude Code in your terminal. So if you found this quite helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.